Good morning, beta. We were doing chapter number 13, exponent and power. And one question of exercise 13.2 is pending. So let's complete that question. Then we will start with the new exercise. In that, we will learn some new things. And that's very much interesting. So in this question number 5, you have 2 raised to power 5 whole raised to power 2 into 7 raised to power 3, 8 raised to power 3 into 7. You have to simplify this. The question is of simplification. Means you have to solve the power also. If the question is simplify and leave the answer in exponential form, then you will leave the answers in power form. But here it is not so. Simplify means you have to completely get one answer. You have to remove the power. Okay. So this is a raised to power m raised to power n, that is a raised to power m. So it will become 2 raised to power 5 2s are 10, 7 raised to power 3, 8 can be written as 2 cube. And this whole power 3 is already same. 8 can be written as 2 cube. This is 2 raised to power 10, 7 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 3s are 9 into 7. Base is same, terms are dividing. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is a raised to power m minus n. 2 raised to power 10 minus 9, 7 raised to power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. It will become 2 raised to power 1, 7 raised to power 2. 7 square is 49 and the answer will become 98. Is it okay? Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? If the question is leave the answer in the exponential form, then you will leave the answer same as 2 into 7 square. But now you will multiply that and you will get the answer. Now, second part is 25 into 5 square into t raised to power 8, 10 cube into t raised to power 4. This 25 can be written as 5 square. This is again 5 square. This is t raised to power 8 upon 10 cube. 10 cube you will separate out, or you can split 10 as 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 hota hai. You can split it out as 2 into 5. Power 3 है, इसके ऊपर भी 3 आ जाएगी, इसके ऊपर भी 3 आ जाएगी. 10 we have separated as 2 5s are 10. Stop writing side by side. Listen to me first. 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. Power is 3. You will write power 3 on both the numbers. And this is t raised to power 4. This is power will be added. This is 2 cube into 5 cube into t raised to power 4. Subtract the power because the base are same. This t we have taken in the numerator. 2 cube is already there. This 5 we have taken. 1 into t raised to power 4 2 cube 5 t raised to power 4 upon a. We have used the law a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n as a raised to power m minus n. 3 raised to power 5 into 10 raised to power 5 into 25 upon 5 raised to power 7, 6 raised to power 5. 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10 and power 5 will be written on both the numbers. This 25 can be written as 5 square. 5 raised to power 7 is same. 6 can be written as 3 2s are 6 and 5 power will be written on both the numbers. Now this will cancel out. This will cancel out and we are left with 5 raised to power 5, 5 raised to power 2. Base are same, so power will be added. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus. This will cancel out. Answer is 1. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Beta, next chapter that will start is your practical geometry. So you please from in the next week arrange your construction material. Okay. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Two 79404. Write in the expanded form. This expanded form you have already done in the junior classes. 2 is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So it will be 10 raised to power 5. Is it okay? Is it okay? 10 is at the lakh place. So in the lakh we have 5 zeros. So 2 will be multiplied with 5 zeros. Then 7. 7 is having 4 number after it is 10 raised to power 4. Next is 9. 9 will be multiplied with 10 raised to power 3 plus 4 will be multiplied with 10 raised to power 2, then 0, then 4 into 1. And 1 means 10 raised to power 0 because anything raised to power 0 is 1. or you can write 1 here also, but better to write in the power of 10. See one more part from this expanded form. 20068. 2 is at the 10,000 place. 2 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 into 10 plus 8 into 10 raised to power 0. Question number 2. Now the question is in this form. You have to convert them into compact form. Means you have to write the number. I'm writing here 8 into 10 raised to power 4, 6 into 10 raised to power 3, 0 into 10 square, plus 4 into 10, plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. This is your 8 with 4 zeros, 6 with 3 zeros. This is 0 plus 40. This is 1, 5 ones are 5. 8, 6, 0, 4, 1. Nine into 10 raised to power 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to power 1. This is 9 with 5 zeros plus 200 plus 30. You can add them in this way also. If you are not comfortable verbally, you can write them as this form. 9000230. Okay. Please do second part of this. Yes, beta, do second part of this question. Write the number. Do the second part. Yes, Drishti.
Ma'am, 4 are 5 zeros plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 2.
405302. Okay. Now the next question is write in the standard form. Write in the standard form. What do you mean by standard form? But it's very difficult to read out such a large number. So to make them compact, to write them in the easiest form so that one can easily read out, we are introducing one new form that is known as standard form. Okay, this simple number is called usual form. Are you getting me? If the number is written simply with zeros with any number, then it is said to be in the usual form. Then you have to convert this usual form number in the form of the standard. What you will do for that, you will count the number of digits from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why I have left this? Because we have to put the decimal after the first digit, so you will not count it. So it will become 5.0. We have counted 7 digits. So it will be 5.0 into 10 raised to power 7. Okay, see one more part. Next is second part. I will discuss each part so that you will not have any doubt. You will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave the first digit. It will become 7.0 into 10 raised to power 6. It is called 70 lakh, but it's better to read at 7 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay, next is 318650000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So it will become 3.1865. Agar to zeros hain, that you will leave writing. But if the numbers are there, then you have to write. You can't leave the numbers. But you have to put the decimal after the first digit. So it will be 3.1865, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 raised to power 9. Is it okay? This form is known as standard form, and the number that was given in the question is said to be in the usual form. Is this clear? Now see one more part, fourth part, 390878. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3.90878 into 5. 10 raised to power 5. You have to shift this decimal here at the first place. 3.90878. This decimal we have shifted here. So count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to power 3908.7. You have to shift this decimal here. 3.90878123. 10 raised to power 3. Question number 4 is again same. You have to write each number in the standard form. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3.84 into 10 raised to power 8. B part. 3.03 or 3678. 10 raised to power 8. Three, 1.2756 into 10 raised to power 7. Start the next part. All are same. You please start doing that. I will ask the answer one by one.
मैम फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना.
What?
मैम क्वेश्चन 4 का डी पार्ट का आंसर देना.
बोलो बेटा.
मैम 1.4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 रेज़ टू पावर 9.
Yes, yes. 1.4 into 10 raised to power 9. Next. Yes, Manraj, Drishti.
मैम 1 into 10 raised to power 11.
बेटा आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आती है. Not able to get you. Yes, Manraj.
1 into 10 raised to power 7.
1 into 10 raised to power 11. Yes, Jalash. Anmol. Anmol. हाँ जी. Yes.
Then we start as the answer is 1.2 into 10 raised to power 10.
10 raised to power?
10.
Okay. 1.2 into 10 raised to power 10. Yes, Jalash.
Then managing.
Manraj. Yes.
Then the answer of
Yes, Naman. Guneet. Aryan. Arshia. Prabnoor. Saksham. Yes, beta.
then answer of G is 3.0 into
20.
10.
Okay, 3 into 10 raised to power 20. Okay, do all the remaining parts. Do all the remaining parts. Yes, Rivya.
Yes, ma'am. Answer of G part 3.0 into 10 raised to power 20.
Yes, yes. Next. Can you tell the next part also?
Yes, ma'am. 1.3553 into 10 raised to power 10.
H part is pending, beta. H part.
Ma'am, by mistake, I have done the I part. Sorry.
Yes, yes, I have got it. But can you speak of the answer of H also?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you on your video for a while?
Yes, ma'am.
On it. Yes, yes, yes. The H part.
Six 6.23 6.0. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, yes. ठीक है, आप ठीक बोल रहे हैं. 6 point.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बोलो, you are correct. बोलो, complete it. 6.023. Getting you, beta. बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
6.023 into 10 raised to power 22.
22.
Okay. Last J part. Yes, Manraj will give answer.
Ma'am, 1.027 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9.
Yes, exactly. So with this beta, we have completed our chapter number 13. So we have 3-4 minutes. You please read it out. Read out what we have discussed in the chapter. These all the things we have already discussed. Please read it out because this is the revision part. Do it. Yes, you all please write down all the laws. We have discussed 8 laws of exponent. You please write down all the 8 laws in your rough note. Hurry up. Write down, then you will tell me whatsoever you have written. Hurry up. Write down everyone. Write down the laws of exponent. 8 laws are there. Write down. Arpita, Hardik, Hargun, Harman. Yes, speak of the laws of exponent one by one. Hemant. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n.
yes. Good.
Second
Mute
law.
yourself. Mute yourself. Yes, Harman. Why you have muted yourself? Vaibhav. Yes, Jasleen.
A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n equals a raised to power m minus n.
Okay. Yes, Tarun. Tanya, Sanya, Sameer, Saksham, Ruder. Yes. तरुण अभी आप अनम्यूट हुए थे फिर म्यूट कर लिया आपने आपको यस बोलो बेटा
A raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n.
यस अक्षिता आरुष हिमांशी मितुल
Yes, ma'am. A raised to power zero
Yes.
is equal to 1.
yes Guneet mute yourself Rivya yes Rivya
Yes, ma'am. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n.
okay very good next Sanya yes Sanya Sanya you are unmute beta bolo yes Drishti when the two numbers are having different base and their powers are same they are multiplying then a raised to power m into b raised to power m is ab raised to power m and in case of division a divided by b raised to power m okay